Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up automatic replies in Gmail, email automation tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Log into your Gmail account using your email address and password. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the drop-down, select See All Settings. You will be directed to a new settings page. Scroll down to the General tab if you aren't there already. Look for the section labeled Vacation Responder. Begin by clicking the button to enable the vacation responder. Set the first day for your automatic replies by choosing a date. If you want, you can also set an end date for these replies. In the message field, type the automatic reply you wish to send. Be sure to include any important information, such as alternative contacts if necessary. You can choose to send replies only to people in your contacts. If desired, check the box to limit replies to your contacts only. Review your message to ensure it conveys the information clearly. Once satisfied, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your automatic replies are now set up and ready to go. To test it, send an email to yourself or ask a friend to email you. This ensures that the automatic reply is functioning as intended. You can return to the settings at any time to edit or disable the automatic replies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.